What if I told you that men locked in 6x9 cells with zero equipment are building more muscle in 6 months than guys spending $200 a month on gym memberships? These 6 bodyweight movements activate 89% of your total muscle mass in a single workout using tension techniques that weights and machines can't replicate. Prisoners don't have protein shakes, fancy equipment, or excuses, just concrete floors and raw discipline. If they can get jacked in a cell, what's your excuse? Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because most men will watch this once and forget it. Winners subscribe, save this, and actually do the work. Which one are you? Now let's get into it. Exercise 1. Decline push-ups. The decline push-up isn't just another chest exercise, it's the single most powerful upper body builder that forces your upper chest, shoulders, and triceps to work under maximum tension while building the kind of explosive power that carries over to every pressing movement. Here's what makes this exercise a game changer. The elevated angle shifts tension to your upper chest and front delts. Your core stabilizes your entire body under an awkward angle. The increased range of motion breaks down more muscle fibers. This combined tension is exactly what triggers upper body growth that regular push-ups can't deliver. Research shows that decline push-ups increase upper chest activation by 78% compared to flat push-ups. Men who trained with elevated variations developed significantly more shoulder and chest mass with zero equipment than guys doing standard variations. How to perform. Place your feet on an elevated surface, a chair, bench, or bed about 12 to 24 inches high. Get into a push-up position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width on the floor. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, core braced tight. Lower yourself down for a full 3 seconds while keeping tension in your upper chest. Your chest should nearly touch the floor. Pause for 1 second at the bottom. Explode back up as fast as possible in 1 second. Squeeze your chest and shoulders hard at the top. That's 1 rep. Common mistakes. Don't let your hips sag or pike up. Keep that plank position locked. Your elbows should track at a 45-degree angle, not flared out straight. Control the descent. Don't just drop down. Keep your neck neutral. Don't let your head hang. Beginner option. Use a lower elevation, like a low step or sturdy box. Start with 6 to 8 inch elevation and progress higher as you get stronger. You can also do these from your knees if needed. Sets and reps. Perform 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps with the tempo control. Rest 90 seconds between sets. If you can't do 6 reps, use the beginner modifications until you build strength. Exercise 2. Pull-ups. The pull-up is the king of back builders. It's a pure test of relative strength that forces your lats, biceps, and grip to work maximally while building the V-taper physique that screams power. Here's why this exercise transforms your back. Your lats must pull your entire body weight through a full range of motion. Your biceps and forearms work overtime to maintain your grip. Your core stabilizes to prevent swinging. Your rear delts and mid-back pull your shoulder blades together. This creates complete back development that no machine can replicate. Research shows that pull-ups activate 89% of your back musculature simultaneously, more than any other single exercise. Prisoners who mastered pull-ups built the kind of thick, powerful backs that took gym-goers years to develop with complicated routines. How to perform. Grab a pull-up bar with an overhand grip slightly wider than shoulder width. Hang with your arms fully extended. This is your starting position. Pull your chest toward the bar by driving your elbows down and back. Keep your chest up and squeeze your shoulder blades together. Pull until your chin clears the bar. Lower yourself back down with control over 2 to 3 seconds. Maintain tension, don't just drop. That's 1 rep. Common mistakes. Don't swing or use momentum. This is strict pull-ups only. Don't shrug your shoulders up to your ears. Keep them down and back. Pull with your back and elbows, not just your arms. Go through the full range, no half reps. Beginner option. Use a resistance band looped over the bar for assistance. Place your foot or knee in the band to help you up. You can also do inverted pull-ups. Jump to the top position and lower yourself down as slowly as possible for 5 seconds. Or start with inverted rows under a low bar. Sets and reps. Perform 4 sets of 6 to 10 reps with strict form.
Rest 90 seconds between sets. If you can't do 6 reps, use the beginner modifications until you build strength.
Exercise 3. Prison squat hold. The prison squat isn't just another bodyweight squat. It's a time under tension leg builder that forces your quads, glutes, and core to work maximally while teaching you mental toughness that separates the strong from the weak. Here's why this exercise transforms your lower body. The isometric hold forces blood into your muscles, creating a massive pump. Your quads must fire continuously to prevent collapse. Your glutes engage to maintain hip position. Your core works overtime to keep you upright. This creates the metabolic stress and mechanical tension needed for serious leg growth. Studies show that isometric holds increase muscle endurance by 54% and trigger growth hormone release at levels comparable to heavy squatting. Prisoners who used this method built impressive leg development with nothing but their body weight and concrete floors. How to perform. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes slightly turned out. Squat down until your thighs are parallel to the ground, or as deep as your mobility allows. Hold this bottom position with your chest up and core braced. Your weight should be evenly distributed through your entire foot. Keep your knees tracking over your toes. Don't let them cave inward. Hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds. Stand back up with control. Exercise 4. Walking lunges. The walking lunge is a unilateral leg destroyer that forces each leg to work independently while building the kind of functional strength and balance that translates to real-world power and athleticism. Here's what makes this movement essential. Each leg must support and propel your entire body weight through a deep range of motion. Your quads and glutes work through maximum stretch and contraction. Your core fights to keep you stable and balanced with every step. Your hip flexors and stabilizers work overtime. This creates the unilateral demand that builds serious leg strength while eliminating left-right imbalances. Research shows that single-leg exercises activate 68% more stabilizer muscles than bilateral movements. Men who trained with walking lunges developed superior leg strength, balance, and injury resistance compared to those who only did squats. How to perform. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart and hands on your hips or at your sides. Take a large step forward with your right leg, about 2 to 3 feet. Lower your body straight down until your right thigh is parallel to the ground and your left knee nearly touches the floor. Your front knee should be directly over your ankle, not past your toes. Push through your right heel and bring your left leg forward into the next lunge. Continue walking forward, alternating legs with each step. Keep your torso upright and core braced throughout. Common mistakes. Don't let your front knee collapse inward. Keep it tracking over your toes. Don't lean forward excessively. Keep your chest up and back straight. Take big enough steps. Short steps reduce effectiveness. Don't let your back knee slam into the ground. Control the descent. Beginner option. Start with stationary lunges. Step forward, perform the lunge, then step back to starting position before switching legs. This helps you master balance before adding the walking component. You can also hold onto a wall for stability at first. Sets and reps. Perform 3 sets of 20 to 24 total steps, 10 to 12 per leg. Rest 60 seconds between sets. If you have limited space, do walking lunges back and forth.
Exercise 5. Burpees. The burpee is a full-body conditioning weapon that builds explosive power, muscular endurance, and cardiovascular dominance all at once. Few movements demand as much from your body in such a short time. Here's why this exercise is brutally effective. Each rep forces your legs to generate power as you squat and jump. Your chest, shoulders, and triceps work hard during the push-up phase. Your core stays fully engaged to transfer force between upper and lower body. Meanwhile, your heart rate spikes rapidly, training your body to perform under fatigue. This constant transition between strength and explosiveness builds real-world athleticism. Studies show that high-intensity bodyweight movements like burpees can burn up to 50% more calories per minute than steady-state cardio. Men who regularly train with burpees improve VO2 max, muscular endurance, and fat loss simultaneously, making them one of the most efficient exercises possible. How to perform. Stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart. Drop into a squat and place your hands flat on the floor just outside your feet. Kick your legs back explosively into a strong plank position. Lower your chest to the floor for a push-up, keeping your body straight. Press back up, then jump your feet forward toward your hands. From the squat position, explode upward into a vertical jump, reaching your arms overhead. Land softly and immediately begin the next rep. Common mistakes. Don't let your hips sag in the plank. Keep your core tight. Avoid half push-ups. Your chest should touch the floor unless modifying. Don't land stiff-legged after the jump. Absorb the impact through your hips and knees. And don't rush sloppy reps. Clean form beats speed. Beginner option. Remove the push-up and jump. Step your feet back into a plank instead of kicking them. Stand up instead of jumping. Once you can perform controlled reps for a full set, add the push-up first, then the jump. Sets and reps. Perform 3 to 5 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Rest 60 to 90 seconds between sets. For conditioning emphasis, keep rest short and intensity high.
Exercise 6. Plank hold. The plank hold is the ultimate core stability builder that teaches your entire anterior chain to work together under sustained tension while building the foundation for every other movement you perform. Here's why this exercise is essential. Your entire core, abs, obliques, deep stabilizers must fire continuously to prevent collapse. Your shoulders and chest work isometrically to hold position. Your glutes engage to maintain proper hip alignment. Your quads stay active to keep your legs straight. This full body tension creates core strength that transfers to everything. Studies show that plank holds activate 100% of your core musculature when performed correctly. Men who consistently trained planks developed significantly stronger cores and better posture than those who only did dynamic ab exercises. How to perform. Start on your forearms and toes, elbows directly under your shoulders. Your body should form a perfectly straight line from head to heels. Brace your core hard like someone's about to punch you in the stomach. Squeeze your glutes to prevent your hips from sagging. Keep your neck neutral. Don't let your head drop or crane up. Breathe steadily while maintaining full body tension. Hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds without letting your form break. Common mistakes. Don't let your hips sag toward the ground. This is the most common error. Don't pike your hips up in the air. Keep that straight line. Don't hold your breath. Breathe normally. Don't let your shoulders shrug up to your ears. Keep them down and back. Beginner option. Perform the plank from your knees instead of your toes. Keep the same straight line from head to knees. Start with 15 to 20 second holds and gradually increase duration each week. Sets and reps. Perform 3 sets of 30 to 60 second holds. Rest 60 seconds between sets. Advanced trainees can extend holds to 90 seconds or add weight on their back. Complete program and training guidelines. You don't need a gym membership, fancy equipment, or complicated programs to build real muscle. This prison workout trains every major muscle group while developing the kind of functional strength and mental toughness that actually matters. Its effectiveness comes from one simple principle: maximum tension with zero excuses. Each movement forces multiple muscles to work together under constant load, creating the stimulus needed for full body growth. Unlike complicated routines that require planning and equipment, this prison-style approach works anywhere, anytime. Here's your complete prison workout. Decline push-ups, 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Pull-ups, 4 sets of 6 to 10 reps. Prison squat hold, 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. Walking lunges, 3 sets of 20 to 24 total steps. Follow this program consistently for 6 weeks. 3 to 4 sessions per week with maximum effort and perfect technique, and you'll build more muscle than you have in the last 6 months of inconsistent gym training. Your chest will grow thicker, your back will get wider, your legs will become stronger, your core will become bulletproof, your entire body will transform into a weapon.
If you're serious about getting results, subscribe to this channel right now. Most people will watch this once and forget about it, but the 1% who subscribe and actually apply this will transform their physique in the next 6 weeks. Drop a comment below telling me which exercise you're most excited to try, and if you train this workout, tag me with your progress. I want to see your results. Now stop watching and start training.